Gunslingers will tell you over and over again how their gun is the perfect ranged weapon, and then get mad at you if you point out that it misfired twice in the previous encounter. The perfect weapon for most is something that is dangerous even in the hands of a random peasant or your local town guard. For example, a crossbow is the perfect ranged weapon to many, because it allows those not skilled in archery at all to achieve a similar level of lethality with half the effort. The gunslinger should honestly be thankful for the time being that they're the only ones proficient enough to quickly unjam and restore their faulty firearms. If for some reason in your campaign setting guns are common, easy to maintain, and never misfire, then everyone in the party is going to want to have one. Gunslingers are only a novelty when guns are a rarity. There is a reason you have the fighter class and not someone named Swordswinger. You actually have to be talented at a few things beyond your weapon, because being proficient at a weapon is hardly a class-worthy feature.